A very good morning, students. Let us see how to design a decoder circuit. Before designing a decoder circuit, let us understand what is an encoder and what is a decoder. You know, encoder is nothing but it converts 2 to the power of n information bits to n bit code. So information 2 power n information bits are converted into n bit code. Whereas what is the job of decoder is it converts that n bit information code into 2 power n or information bits. So the job of decoder is to convert n bit information code to 2 power n information signal. So the input is n, the output is 2 power n. That is why we call n is to 2 power n decoder. What is n? Input. What is 2 power n? Output. So if I have two inputs, in this case, can you see there are two inputs? N is 2. What is 2 to the power of n? 2 power 2 is 4. There would be 4 outputs. So a decoder is a signal which converts n inputs to 2 power n outputs. So I can also call this as a multiple input, multiple output logic circuit which converts coded input to coded outputs. Okay, so let us design a decoder circuit. You know, decoder is multiple inputs, multiple outputs circuit. Let us first write the problem statement. While designing, you need to write the problem statement now. So what is the problem statement of a decoder? Decoder is used to design n-bit binary information to 2 power n bit binary information. So decoder's job is to convert n bit binary code to 2 power n bit binary information. Now we know how to draw the block diagram. Since n input is there, 2 power n outputs, the box has to be drawn. And what is the circuit I'm going to design? I'm going to design a decoder circuit. So I write decoder inside the box. So n input, decoder converts them to 2 power n output. Let us take a case study of designing 2:4 decoder. It means 2 inputs, 4 outputs. So my problem statement is to design a 2x4 decoder which will convert 2-bit binary information to 4-bit binary information. 2-bit binary, you can write like this, 2-bit binary code to 4-bit binary information or 2-bit binary information to 4-bit binary information. So there are 2 bits and 4 bits as the output. So we have seen the block diagram. I'm going to design a 2x4 decoder where I have 2 inputs. The names given to the inputs are A and B. My 4 outputs are D0, D1, D2 and D3. So let us draw the truth table for this. The third step is to draw the truth table. My inputs are A, B. My output is D0, D1, D2, D3. Now I need to know what is that, how I get this stuff here. So since there are 2 inputs, I know 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So after writing this combinations, start with D0. If A and B both are 0, 0, D0 will be 1. Rest is all zeros. Okay. If A and B is 0, 1, 0, 1, D1 will be high. Rest is all will be low. If A and B is 1, 0, D2 will be high, rest is all will be low. When A and B is 1, 1, 3, then D3 will be high, rest will be low or 0. Clear? This is how you need to fill the truth table. 0, D0 will be 1. 1, D1 will be 1. 2, D2 will be 1. 3, D3 will be 1, rest will be 0. So you will get a diagonal ones for decoder. Now write the logic expression for D0, D1, D2 and D3. The next step. So how will you write the logic expression for D0? In D0, in which position you have high? You have high only in one position, that is A bar, B bar. So D0 equation is A bar, B bar. What is D1 equation? D1 will be high for A bar, B. So D1 will be high for A bar, B. D2 will be high for A B bar. So D2 will be high for A, B bar. D3 will be high for what? A and B. So D3 will be high for A and B. Now I got the equations for D0, D1, D2 and D3. Now I need to draw just the logic circuit. So how many inputs? A and B. So A and B are the inputs. Now how many outputs? D0, D1, D2, D3. So D0, D1, D2, D3 are outputs. How I get my D0? D0 is obtained from A bar, B bar. So I take A connected to a NOT gate so that I get A bar. I take B connected to a NOT gate, I get B bar. What is my D0? D0 is an AND term, A bar, B bar. So I take A bar, I take B bar connected to AND gate so that I get my D0. Similarly, I do for my D1, D2 and D3. With this, I have designed a 2x4 decoder. So this is the 2x4 decoder circuit. If I give 2-bit coded information, it converts into 4-bit information. Is it clear? Thank you.